The fight for a disease-free and healthy life inspired many rewarding discoveries in the last century. This spirit for human well-being led to a mountainous growth and advancements in the healthcare industry, leading to the invention of critical life-saving drugs manufactured in highly engineered systems as the armor for healthcare companies. Almost 40 years ago, DDE was fired by the imagination of providing this armor. It began as a dream, turning into a voyage that helped us indirectly reach countless lives across the world and kept us inspired with an unquenchable thirst to make a difference. DD Enterprises, smarter innovations, smarter processes, smarter solutions. Today, with continuous innovation, superior technologies, and unique end-to-end solutions, DDE is empowering healthcare companies to manifest their own mission all over the world. At DDE, our expertise lies in designing, engineering, manufacturing and extending validation support around automated bioprocess and sterile systems. Every piece of work is strictly in adherence to the global compliance and regulatory bodies like FDA, MHRA, ASME BPE and ISO. Be it quality, design, technology, there is precision and passion in every dimension. This leads DDE to provide the most optimized solution as per global standards at all times. That's why a powerhouse of over 250 plus professionals, including microbiologists, biotechnologists, engineers and researchers, dedicatedly work to produce exceptional solutions. It starts with capturing the client's technical specifications in PFDs and URS. A team of experts generate compliant technical offers and P&IDs. The end user and DDE work together and agree on the finalized solution. Now, dedicated subject matter experts start their work on generation of GA drawing of vessels, automation architecture, electrical architecture, panel drawings, 3D models, layouts, piping layout. These 3D models are used for verification of compliance with standards like ASME BPE, GMP, 3A, EHEDG. Detailed drawings and isometrics are converted to highest quality equipments at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. We make sure the final product is compliant with user requirements, approved documents and global standards. Hardware and software specifications are formulated and documented for the latest GAMP and CFR 21 Part 11 compliance. Post-completion of a project, DDE provides training during FAT and SAT, followed by formal training at the client site of users from various departments. Through the entire process, our highly experienced project managers work together with our teams and the client for successful and on-time completion. Quite frankly, our core values of continuous innovation and engineering excellence has led us to stay ahead of the tough and continuously evolving demands of the eco-space we operate within. And our 3S philosophy of smarter innovations, smarter processes, and smarter solutions makes us to provide agile and lean QBD solutions to our customers, empowering us to always offer unique and reliable solutions, superior quality, and timely delivery. And as we move ahead, we pledge to stay committed to being the custodians of your product and your business.